What's up, everybody, and welcome back. So today we're gonna make one of these little keychains. Figured the holiday season's coming up, something quick and easy to make. You can kind of give out to people. Everybody can find a use for a keychain. So yeah, let's get to it. So this is the one I made. Basically, just got a piece out of my scrap bin. This is the edge of the hide. I thought that was pretty cool, so I kind of left it there unfinished. Yeah, so this is all the parts that we're gonna need to put all this together. This is the template I made. Try to get this close enough to where you can screenshot that, take the measurements, 15/16 wide. It is 5 7/16 long, 9/16 from this end to the first hole, 3 1/16 from this end to the first hole, and 4 3/4 to the last hole. You can probably do it an inch wide, and then wherever you put your key ring and hook, just have to kind of notch it out so that way it'll fit. So there's my piece of scrap leather. I secured it all with a rivet. This is a number 12 copper rivet. I didn't have any double cap rivets to use. These are the nippers to cut the rivet. So I got these on Amazon. They were open box items, so I was able to save a couple dollars on that. So it's pretty cool. They're practically brand new. This is the hardware from Buckle Guy. This is just a split ring and nickel mat. And this is the lever, sling lever, snap thing, whatever they call it, from Buckle Guy as well. Part numbers if you guys want to order them. Mallet, rivet setter. This is just, I can't remember if this is a Tandy one, but it's just a cheap one off Amazon. I think I paid like $10 for it. It works. I want to get better ones eventually, but it does its job for now. And then a knife. So yeah, let's get to it. This was one tool I did forget to put in the video. This is just a hole punch. Whatever size your rivet is the size that you need to get the hole punch to. All right, so I had to ran out and put my stamp on it real quick. My stamp was a little wide, so I had to kick it sideways. Got some dye. This is just Phoebe's. I think it's medium brown. Take that back, dark brown. And one of these little Montana paint marker applicators for doing dye. These things are awesome. A couple times. Also picked up one of these little burnishing wheels. Thinking about doing a review on these, so if you guys are interested, let me know, and I'll do one of those. So typically after I'll dye it, burnish it, and then I'll go back through and sand it again, and then I'll hit it with some Tokonol. So we'll do that now. This is a 1000 grit sanding block I got from, I think it was Lowe's or Home Depot. some light would help. Now hit it with some Tokonol and canvas. That should be good. All right, so picked up some of these needle bottles for doing my Tokonol and glue, and haven't looked back since. They make it so much easier. Make sure you label it good, because I have accidentally grabbed the glue and not the Tokonol, and that was not fun. And I do a 50-50 mix of water and Tokonol, and it just thins it down just enough to where it comes out of the needle, and it cuts back on waste. Can't tell if that light's any better. All right, so when you put these together, this is the top. So what I usually do is I will start from here. Hopefully you guys can see I'm kind of at a weird angle. And get this in and going. I'm gonna flip my buckler on. I don't think I like it to go that way. So do that, split ring on the bottom, and then push that through. And that is what it should look like before you set it. So put that down, put a little burr on there, which I guess you guys can't really see. I'm gonna take our setter ball, colors. Then you can use the domer, or you can get a ball peen hammer and do it that way. I'm just going to use the domer for now. And as you can see, that kind of just rounds it over, so that way it's smooth. And that is basically it. Yeah, basic keychain. Alright guys, so this is basically it finished. I went ahead and hand peened the rivets to show you guys kind of what it looks like, domed, kind of beat up finish. I think it looks pretty cool. But yeah, so something easy to make for the holidays. Everybody could find a use for one of these, you know, if you give it as a gift. Yeah, and if you guys do make one, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see what you guys come up with, and be cool to see people making stuff from watching my videos. Thanks for watching.